and these are the last pair of the MTO made to order bobber boot from Joseph Cheaney. Aren't they fantastic? So you can see the little pad on here for the gear change, just on the one boot, not like you would get on a fashion boot with one on each side. So these boots were made for us at Cheaney, and they were made because I bought myself a Harley type bike. I've got to say type because it's not a Harley.
It's a Hardley.
A Harley Davidson. And so I wanted myself a boot, a nice boot. Couldn't find one, so I thought I'll have one made. And then I thought, do you know what? There's a lot of chaps out there my age that are buying bikes that would want a pair of these. So I had 12 pairs made, and this is the last pair left. It's a size 8.5. It's slightly generous, 8.5. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got the speed hooks on the top. It's got the Brit sole. You can see the Brit sole there, the speed hooks on the top. Fully leather lined, absolutely beautiful. This is a Chromexcel leather, an oiled leather, and it's really quite thick, which is what you want on your biker boots. And yep, fabulous boot. The last pair left at the shoe healer. Oh, what a beautiful boot. Yes, sir. Do you have it in size 11? Yes, we do. Does it fit? Yes, it fits beautiful. Do you have speed hooks for the top? Yes, we do. Do you have it in black? We will have tomorrow. Look at that.